Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best drones under $200 that offer incredible value for their price. Whether you're a beginner looking for an entry-level drone or a more experienced pilot seeking advanced features at a budget-friendly price, I've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the countdown. At number 3, we have the OKY UK 1080p camera drone, a feature-packed option that balances affordability and functionality. This drone is equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera and a 150-degree adjustable lens, which lets you capture decent quality aerial shots. It's also loaded with beginner-friendly features like obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and one-key takeoff and landing. With 3 batteries included, you get an impressive total flight time of up to 45 minutes. The design is sleek and foldable, making it easy to carry around in the included storage bag. The brushless motors provide a quieter and more stable flight compared to brushed alternatives, and the night vision feature is a nice touch for low-light conditions. However, while the camera quality is good for casual use, it falls short of the crisp detail you'd get with a higher resolution 4K drone. Additionally, the build quality, while decent, is not as robust as some of the other drones on this list. This drone is ideal for teens and adults who want an entry-level drone for casual photography and fun flying sessions. It's also a great choice for beginners, thanks to its user-friendly features. Pros include the extended flight time, adjustable camera, and obstacle avoidance. Cons: the camera quality could be better, and a plastic build may not withstand heavy wear and tear. In the number 2 spot, we have the Tizzy Toy 4K camera drone, which offers an impressive set of features for its price. The standout here is its 4K camera with a 120-degree adjustable lens and a 110-degree wide-angle view, making it perfect for capturing high-quality aerial photos and videos. It's equipped with brushless motors for stable and efficient flight, as well as optical flow positioning and altitude hold for added control. The inclusion of a carrying case and 2 batteries, offering a total flight time of up to 40 minutes, adds even more value. The build quality is excellent, with a robust design that feels premium despite its lightweight construction. The foldable design makes it travel-friendly, and the inclusion of spare fan blades ensures you're prepared for any mishaps. In terms of performance, the Tizzy Toy handles well in various conditions, including moderate wind. However, while it includes a lot of advanced features like gesture control and headless mode, it's not the easiest drone to master for absolute beginners. This drone is best suited for intermediate users or beginners who are willing to invest some time in learning the ropes. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to step up their drone photography game without breaking the bank. Pros include the 4K camera, long flight time, and premium build quality. The cons? The learning curve may be a bit steep for first-time users, and it lacks omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Finally, at number 1, we have the 4D RC V32 Foam RC Airplane, a highly versatile and durable drone that's perfect for both kids and adults. This fighter jet-style RC plane is packed with exciting features like 360 degrees flips, aerial stunts, and LED lighting that adds a spectacular effect to night flights. It's incredibly user-friendly, with 1 key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3 speed options for a customizable flying experience. The design is a standout feature here. Made from durable yet lightweight EPP foam material, this plane is built to withstand crashes and rough handling, which makes it perfect for younger pilots or beginners. Its safe and protective propeller design adds an extra layer of security, and the bright LED lights make it a visual treat during nighttime flights. Performance-wise, it's smooth and responsive, though it's better suited for open spaces rather than tight indoor settings. The 4DRC V32 is a fantastic gift for aspiring pilots or anyone looking for a fun and durable RC toy. It's particularly well-suited for kids and families who want an interactive and safe flying experience. Pros include its durable build, ease of use, and stunning LED lighting. The cons? It's more of an RC airplane than a traditional camera drone, so it's not ideal for photography or videography. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best drone under $200. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews just like this. Let me know in the comments which drone you're most excited to try, and I'll see you in the next one.